Good evening, I'm Lee Anderson. Just hours ago, the Redmond School Board approved retaining legal counsel as it seeks to regain local control when it comes to COVID-19 mandates. Alec Nolan's been following this story tonight. He joins us now with the details. Alec?
In a 4-1 vote lead, the board chose to hire Dan Tennell of the Portland-based Tennell Law Group to look at possible legal actions. Tennell is also representing Oregon State police troopers, firefighters, and healthcare workers in lawsuits challenging Governor Kate Brown and the Oregon Health Authority over vaccine mandates. Board Chair Shawn Hartfield says she wants to focus on the job they were elected to do, which she says is to give kids a quality education.
I don't think any of us want to put our kids in danger. I mean, the ones that have kids and are going to school right now. I'm a very protective mother, and I make sure my kids are safe every day. So that's, I think, what this is about, not just going out and creating lawsuits to have a lawsuit.
But others, like Liz Goodrich, the lone board member who did not approve of outside legal counsel, said she was curious if the board had an appetite for spending what could be a large amount on legal fees. The board says up to 130 staff members could be out of a job, but Superintendent Dr. Sharan Klein says he expects that number to drop. Other board members who voted in favor, like Michael Summers, says he wants to focus on exploring other options so the district does not lose those staff members.
My hope is that we are able to, find another path, or at least explore other options. It doesn't necessarily mean we're in defiance. We've been given two options, and the statement, essentially there's no other way. There's no other option.
Now, the board did agree to an hourly fee agreement with Tennell Law Group, but no specific legal action has taken place as of yet. And this comes at a bit of a time crunch as the state requires all school staff and visitors be fully vaccinated by October 18th. Lee?